If you want to link two channels together, you can use the stereo link function. Let's link two acoustic guitars assigned to channels 3 and 4. Call up the channel edit screen and activate the link function. Fader number 4 will now follow fader number 3 when we adjust it. Links are made between adjacent odd and even channels. 1 and 2 will link, 3 and 4 will link, and so on. With the DCA feature, we can group multiple channels into one fader control. To illustrate, we'll use 3 percussion channels. Press the DCA button in the group area of the top panel. Select the Assign button. Use the cursor buttons and Enter button to select the channels to be assigned to Group 1. Change the fader layer to DCA. Go to the fader that corresponds to DCA Group 1. Moving that fader now adjusts the relative level of all 3 percussion channels. Let's look at the aux sends. We can send any number of channels to any of the 16 aux sends. We'll send the acoustic guitar on channel 3 to some aux buses. Press the display button in the aux send section to call up the aux send screen. Select an aux bus number from the aux select area by turning the send level dial. You can adjust the level that is being sent on that aux send. You can easily adjust multiple channels to one aux send by using the Sends On fader control. Select the aux channel you want to use and press the Sends On fader button. Your faders will now act as level controls for how much of each channel is being sent to that aux bus, ideal for mixing monitor levels. Turn off the Sends On fader button to return to normal fader functionality. Let's look at the USB playback and recording feature. The USB port of the vMixer is located on the right side of the top panel. Insert a USB memory stick here. Press the display button in the USB memory area to call up the recording and playback screen. Pressing the record button once will place the system in record standby. Select record level with the cursor buttons and adjust the audio level with the jog dial. Press the play button and recording will commence. A linear stereo wave file will be recorded to the memory stick. Press play again to stop recording. Your newly recorded wave file will now be available in the playlist. The stereo playback from the memory stick is assigned to channels 45 and 46. Let's play it back and listen. Switch the fader layer to get access to channels 45 and 46. Start playback and fade up channels 45 and 46. The M400 vMixer can be remotely controlled by a computer running the M400 RCS software program. The M400 RCS software is a free download available from the Roland Systems Group website. Your computer communicates with the M400 vMixer via USB cable. There is a USB port on the rear of the vMixer for connection to your computer. With the M400 RCS software, you have access to most functions within the console, including the channel edit screens, as well as the patch bay and other edit screens. You can also view the meter screen for a larger overview of all your audio levels. You can use your mouse or a touch screen to make fast adjustments of all your channel edit functions like EQ, gain, and pad.